Do you have an error with the Formulator X module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Localized VST audio processing logic working again. Before we start the Formulator X module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Formulator X module, a specialized variant of the 4ormx Vocoder Extreme execution library used in legacy audio production environments. It provides spectral-warping routines for formant-based synthesis. If missing, music projects may fail to load the plugin and produce errors such as Invalid VST module. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Missing Formulator X module DLL data often points to a failed patch within the Localized VST/audio processing logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program, where you saw the error, will automatically replace the corrupted library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Formulator X module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Formulator X module DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Formulator X module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Formulator X module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.